Hi guys, Mike from White Pave showing you this phenomenal resin installation that we are doing over in Tulworth and Surbiton. So we are using a moisture tolerant resin binder from Vuba. So we're giving that a go today because the weather conditions at the moment aren't the greatest. There's a bit of moisture in the air. It was a bit damp this morning, and I'm going to run you through the process of what we're doing and how we're doing it. So first of all, on the prepared area, we've blown everything off to get rid of the debris, any dust since we last thoroughly cleaned it with a pressure washer, and we've used the gas bottle over there with the roofer's torch to burn off any moisture and to get the surface nice and dry so that the resin adheres nicely to the surface. On that note, we've taped up all our edgings, as you can see. Over here, so we've taken the edgings up, duct tape around the perimeter, so as any extra resin that overspills on the sides doesn't go onto the blocks and stain the blocks. So we're starting to mix the resin now. This is a two-part resin. As you can see, we've got all our kits stacked out. They're all stacked out one by one. We put the aggregate into the mixer. Come over here. Put the aggregate into the mixer. That's mixing around nicely. That always goes in first. And as you can see, Adam over here is mixing the resin. So he is going to put part B into part A as he is, and he's going to scrape it out to its entirety. Then he's going to use the plasterer's whisk to mix it all together. Once he's mixed it all together, we're going to whisk it for about 30 to 45 seconds. Going to get it to a nice creamy consistency so it's nice and even. Once he's done that, then we're going to pour it into the resin mix, as you'll see. Then we're going to add our quartz, which is a binder, another binder. So that quartz is going to help it stick together. It's going to give it grip, and it's going to really help the resin to bind together. So once we've done that, what will happen is we'll let the mix for about 3 minutes till it's fully mixed. It's a forced action resin mixer, which means that every single part of the mix gets mixed thoroughly, because the blades, there's 3 blades which are top, middle and bottom, which make sure that everything mixes nice and consistently to get a nice finish and to make sure the resin is at premium and optimum strength. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we get the resin, we spazzle it out, we screed it off and we trowel it in. All right, so once it's mixed, we're going to show you that. As you can see now, we're troweling in. Adam is getting the resin out of the mixer. So he's getting the resin out of the mixer. It's all thoroughly mixed. It's all coming out. You see he's pulling it out. The wheelbarrow's been protected by a plastic sleeve which is wrapped around with a bit of duct tape to make sure that nothing sticks to the wheelbarrow. And as you can see, Fraser over here, he's troweling in the product. Okay, so he's going over, troweling it all in, pushing it in, making sure that everything binds in. And what Adam's going to do is he's going to bring the wheelbarrow of resin over, and then we're going to tip it out in bits, and then we're going to show you the process for getting it out. So if Adam shuts the chute, we'll shut the chute, Adam. Pull this over, and then what we're going to do is we're going to work along in little bits, so we're not constantly kneeling in resin. Right, that wheelbarrow out of the way. Then, once we've done that, we get the spazzle, and then we pull it across. Working in its entirety, a consistent 18 to 20 mil depth across the entire driveway. Gives us a really nice thickness and great coverage. There we go. And now I'll get the level. Start putting this down. Then Fraser can come on and trowel it in. And once we've done that, we're going to run the power flow over it, give a really nice finish, and to get out any of those untidy trowel marks. So we'll see the fantastic finish that gives us. Lovely. So now Fraser has troweled it in, running the power flow over the resin. eliminates any hand trail marks, gives a supreme finish. So our new resin bound driveway looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see now, we've got the finished product. So if you want to have a look at this fantastic resin driveway, this is a great colour that complements the property, and as I'm sure you guys will agree, really gives it a great aesthetic for the front of the home. So if this is something you're interested in, check us out: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google, Checkatrade. Get in touch for a free, no obligation quotation, and your home could look as beautiful as this.
Lovely.
Wow.